Hi everyone, this is Dany from Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez, and in today's tutorial we're going to look at some more minimal pairs. The minimal pairs of f and th in a sound. Now let's check out the pronunciation together. When we make a sound of f, we need to put our teeth on our lip. Ready? But when we're making a sound with th, we need to put our teeth on our tongue. Let's have a look at some examples so you can hear it in action, okay? The first one, fin and thin. First and thirst. For and thaw. Fresh and thresh. Freeze and threes. Fro and throw. And the last one, froze and throws. Okay, could you hear the difference? I'm gonna give you a little poem so you can hear the minimal pairs in action. Are you ready? So, I got to the cafeteria first. I thought I would die of thirst. I asked for a Coke, then realized I'm broke. Being thirsty is just the worst. So, thanks for watching our tutorial for today, and we look forward to seeing you here at Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez, 242-4158. Bye!